going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. And then also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. And then also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And do not forget the new Road Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Do not miss out. And then also, those who have shopped at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, and we know Bakkt is here. We are getting that pullback, but we also saw the Fed move the repo up about $100 billion. So guys, make sure you're definitely paying attention to the indicators. Again, we have Bakkt today, and then we have options tomorrow. About $1 billion, not a lot, but we know it's still going to move the market, especially when we go over grayscale news. Now, guys, like I said, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators as volume, tether, USDC. Now, we have Bitso and Circle work on crypto payments between Mexico and the U.S. And guys, we know how important cross-border payments are. We know they're already working with Stellar XLM. And then we know on the other side, we also have Ripple's XRP. But we know Circle and Stellar are definitely working together. We know those are the protocols that actually move this money at just about no cost. Now, guys, do not forget about the Fed. They did about $1.5 trillion yesterday, so they did up at about $100 billion. And we have one of the Fed governors, Waller, praises stablecoins. So, guys, we definitely see the Hegelian dialectic being played. But we definitely know USDC right now is leading the way. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale. Grayscale sold another $2 billion. So make sure you're definitely keeping an eye on the Grayscale whale. Guys, we know the Fed is going to be cutting back. Yes, we still have plenty of liquidity, but they're definitely going to be pulling back so they can start building this 4th industrial revolution. Technology is going to move so fast, it's going to be unbelievable. Even though we know it's coming, it's still going to shock us. And even though, guys, we have Bakkt here, we have options here, we know on the weekend, we'll be moving right back up. We know the game. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have Fidelity clears regulation hurdles to become Canada's first institutional Bitcoin custodian. And guys, we know how important this is. We know Fidelity is in charge of trillions of dollars in assets. We know the New Road Order uses testing ground. And Canada is one of the ones who have definitely been leading the way. And we know when it came to the C word, they've been running technology right behind it. So no one's questioning anything. Now we have Oasis Foundation launches a $160 million development fund. Guys, the money is coming. 100 million, 100 million, 2 billion. The fourth industrial revolution is definitely going to be built fast. Now we have South Korea embraces the Metaverse. And guys, we know when it comes to Asia, the emerging markets, they are 10 years ahead of us. You can use AI to tour. You also can actually do virtual shopping. The masses have been programmed to see this for over 10 years. So something you're thinking is science fiction has already been programmed in the mind. So therefore, when it comes, you definitely will accept it. And it works every single time. Now we have Tim Massad, the former CFTC, says the United States is moving too slow on a CBDC. And guys, we know CBDCs are illegal for a reason. Same way they're illegal in Europe for a reason. We know they have to change the language in order to make a CBDC legal. But guys, as long as they have the stable coins, the US dollar, just change it into a digital form. It's already technically a digital form anyway, but going to a cashless society gives the New World Order total control. Now we have Bitcoin miner Bitdeer to go public with a SPAC merger. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. Right now, the platform is valued at about $4 billion. And lastly, guys, we have Bacon Protocol offers industry first NFT mortgages. You heard it correct. And remember, I told you a long time ago, NFTs were set up to tokenize all goods, everything, guys. And now we're seeing it. They have minted 7 mortgages. Interest rates range from 1.5 to 3.1%, and that was done in 4 states. Remember, guys, everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. These smart contracts are going to change everything. And remember, the Cryptoteacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.